Hey everyone, and welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful comparisons. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using both services. Today, we're tackling the Cricket Wireless versus AT&T debate, which is better in 2024. We'll break down the key differences to help you choose the right carrier. Cricket Wireless is actually owned by AT&T, leveraging their network for coverage. This means both providers offer similar 4G LTE and 5G coverage reliability across the US. However, pricing, features, and customer service differ significantly. Cricket Wireless targets budget-conscious users. Their unlimited plans are considerably cheaper than AT&T's, especially for families with multiple lines. This makes Cricket a compelling choice for saving money. Conversely, AT&T's plans are pricier, but they offer premium features and perks. If cost is your primary concern, Cricket is the clear winner. While Cricket offers unlimited data, speeds can be deprioritized during peak usage. This can lead to slower speeds than AT&T, particularly in congested areas. AT&T's premium data plans provide consistent high speeds, ideal for streaming, gaming, or working remotely. If reliable, fast data is crucial, AT&T delivers superior performance. AT&T bundles perks like HBO Max with some unlimited plans and provides more comprehensive customer support through its nationwide stores. Cricket offers a more basic experience, suitable for users who prioritize simplicity. Cricket's no-contract plans and transparent pricing are attractive for those who prefer a hassle-free experience. Customer service is another point of distinction. Cricket relies primarily on online support and third-party retailers, unlike AT&T's extensive in-store support network. However, Cricket's straightforward approach appeals to users who prefer self-service. In conclusion, Cricket Wireless is an excellent choice if you prioritize affordability and acceptable coverage, even with potential slowdowns during peak hours. If you require consistently high data speeds, additional features, and comprehensive support, AT&T is worth the extra investment, despite the higher cost. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description for more details and plan links.